However, the fear seems perfectly rational seeing as how dangerous some of these snakes can be. But a question begs to be asked, are snakes really that dangerous? The simple answer is that while a majority of the snakes are harmless, we still need to maintain a distance. Bites from venomous or non-venomous snakes can be extremely painful. There are quite a few dangerous snakes in the world, and it is always better to know what kind of snake you are dealing with before you decide your next step. According to biologists, the term poisonous is applied when an organism releases toxins when they are eaten. The term venomous is applied when organisms bite or sting and inject their toxins through the bite. The second misconception is that while snakes are venomous and not poisonous, not all are venomous snakes. So, in order to be better informed, we bring to you the top 10 deadliest snakes in the world. Number 10. Belcher's sea snake. Snake Belcher's sea snake, one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Also known as the faint-banded sea snake. The Belcher's sea snake is extremely venomous. A single bite from this snake can kill a person in less than 30 minutes. These snakes are relatively small and have a slender body with a yellow case and green crossbands. They can grow to lengths of up to 0.46 to 1 meter. The Belcher's sea snake usually feeds on small fish and eel. This dangerous snake is also found to be of a shy and timid temperament. They can control their venom secretion and hold their breath for nearly 8 hours. Number 9. Mojave rattlesnake. The Mojave rattlesnake is a deadly snake in a defensive position. An adult Mojave rattlesnake in a defensive stance. The Mojave rattlesnake is considered to possess the most potent venom among all the rattlesnake species, making it one of the deadliest snakes in the world. These snakes vary from light green to brown in color and can easily blend with their surroundings. They can grow up to 1 meter in length, and with the longest being 1.37 meters. They have a heavy body and a triangular head. The young are born in live births and not hatched from eggs. They are fully developed when born. These snakes prefer open and arid habitats. At times they have been known to chase humans. Number 8. Common death adder. Death adder is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Death adder showing tail lure. Considered to be one of the deadliest snakes in the world. These death adders might look similar to a viper and another of the world's deadliest snakes. Although it resembles a viper and the adder comes from the elephant family of snakes. It is just like the cobra and black mamba. They have a broad, flattened, triangular head and a thick body that is covered with red, brown, and black colored bands. They are short with small scales and grow to an average size of 0.4 meters. These adders have large fangs and a lure that resembles a small worm at the end of their tails. They have the longest fangs among all the snakes in Australia. They can lie in wait for their prey for days at a time. Number 7. Russell's vipers. The snake that can make you bleed out. Russell's viper is one of the most venomous snakes, also known as chain vipers. Russell's viper is one of the most venomous snakes in India. One bite from which can cause excessive bleeding. This also makes it one of the most dangerous snakes in India and is responsible for the most snakebite incidents and deaths among all the venomous snakes. Deep yellow, tan, or brown in color, with a series of dark brown spots that run the length of the body, these snakes can grow to a maximum of about 1.5 meters. These snakes are solitary reptiles and primarily hunt at night. In cooler weather, they are known to become more active even during the day. They also birth live younglings and don't lay eggs. They can lift most of their body off the ground while attacking. They are named after Patrick Russell, a Scottish herpetologist who first described many of India's snakes. Number 6. Tiger snake. An Australian member of the cobra family. One of the most dangerous and venomous snakes in the world, the tiger snake. This highly venomous snake is one of the deadliest snakes in Australia. The tiger snake's venom contains a blood-clotting agent and nerve paralyzer, therefore, it can also be considered one of the world's deadliest snakes. They are highly variable in color and are often banded like the stripes on a tiger. A tiger snake can grow to lengths of up to 1 to 1.5 meters. They often hunt in the water and can stay submerged for up to 9 minutes. They are known to also climb trees and bushes. Females give birth to live babies instead of laying eggs. Number 5. Black Mamba. The fastest snake in the world. The black mamba, one of the fastest and most dangerous snakes. The black mamba is the second longest venomous snake after the king cobra. They are known for their large size, quickness, and extremely potent venom, making them one of the deadliest snakes in the world. The inside of this snake's mouth is black, hence its name Black Mamba. They have a coffin-shaped head and can vary in colors from olive, yellowish brown, khaki and gunmetal, but they are rarely black. An average black mamba is 2 and 2.5 meters long and with a maximum length of 4.3 meters. They are some of the world's fastest snakes and are capable of speeds of more than 12 miles per hour. Hence will be the one which can kill the fastest. In the wild, a black mamba can live for up to 11 years. In captivity they can live for longer than 20 years. Number 4. Blue Krait. Asia's most venomous snake. Blue krait is a highly venomous snake. Also known as the Malayan krait, and the blue krait is a highly venomous snake of the elipid family. Its venom can paralyze its victim's muscular system. A truly scary thought that has earned this snake a place on the list of the deadliest snakes in the world. The blue krait has a color pattern of bluish-black cross bands separated by yellowish-white interspaces. They can grow up to lengths of approximately 1.1 meters. These kraits are generally not aggressive or strongly defensive and tend to bite only when really provoked. They are widespread in their regions and encounters are uncommon. They prefer the wet season. Number 3. Inland taipan. A snake with the deadliest venom in the world. The most venomous snake, inland taipan. The highly venomous inland taipan, an Australian elipid snake. Also known as the fierce snake, and the inland taipan is one of the world's most venomous snakes. A bite from this variety of taipan often causes paralysis of the victim's nervous system and clots the blood. The inland taipan, and one of 3 types of taipans, is dark tan in color, ranging from a rich, dark hue to a brownish light green, depending on the season. This variety of taipan is found to be smaller than the coastal variety and can grow up to 1.7 meters in length. Inland taipan's venom is specially adapted to kill warm-blooded animals. It is an extremely fast and agile snake and can strike instantly with extreme accuracy. It is called fierce snake for its venom, not its temperament. They change the color of their skin for thermoregulation, allowing them to absorb more light in colder months. Number 2. King Cobra. The world's longest venomous snake. The deadly king cobra is one of the most lethal and venomous snakes. In India, the king cobra is not only revered and worshipped but also feared, as they are one of the most venomous snakes of India. In one bite, a king cobra delivers a tremendous number of neurotoxins that induces paralysis. They are so fearsome that they find themselves on almost all lists of world's deadliest snakes. King cobra is dark olive or brown in color with black bands and white and yellow cross bands with cream or pale yellow undersides. A king cobra measures up to 3 to 4 meters in length and has blackheads with 2 crossbars near the snout and 2 behind the eyes. Young cobras are shiny black with narrow yellow bands. The longest venomous snake and king cobras have a slow metabolic rate and can go for months without food after a large meal. A single bite from a king cobra can kill an elephant. The cobra only spreads its hood when it feels threatened or is disturbed. While most pictures showcase cobras with their hoods fanned, chances are you may spot a cobra without its distinctive hood, and so be careful either way. Number 1. Saw-scaled viper. The deadliest snake in the world. Deadliest snake in the world, the saw-scaled viper. Although its venom is not very potent, the saw-scaled viper is considered as one of the world's deadliest snakes, as it is believed to be responsible for more human fatalities than all other snakes put together. These snakes have a stout body with a pear-shaped head which is distinct from the neck. Adult saw-scaled vipers range in length from 0.3 to 0.9 meters, and they come in shades of brown, gray, or orange with darker dorsal blotches and lateral spots. Saw-scaled vipers are considered to be one of deadliest snakes of the world because they are often found in populated areas, and a lack of readily accessible antivenom in rural areas adds to their lethality. So clearly, and the potency of the venom has no bearing on the list of world's deadliest snakes. Saw-scaled vipers can live for up to 23 years. Up to 80% of these adults climb up bushes and trees when it rains in northern regions, and they hibernate during winter.